Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our channel today, and in this tutorial we are going to see about Python. So as part of this, today we will see how to install Python in Windows. So here we have the agenda for today. So how and where to download Python latest version. So how to install Python in our Windows 10 OS and validate the Python installation once the installation is done. All right, so let's begin with the activities. Go to the browser and type Python download. Right, so I have searched it already. So here comes the page. So in the Python official page or python.org, you can just click on download Python, and here comes the official Python website where we can download the installable file for Python. And we want Windows installation file, so we are going to click on this download Python 3.8.2. so this is the latest version for today when we are recording this session, so in future it might change. So once you click on this download Python file, you'll get the download installable file. So I have downloaded it here in one of the disk drive. So that is our first job, like how and where to download Python latest version. So second one is how to install that the one which we have downloaded now. So without further delay, just double click on this and please choose this add Python 3.8 to the path and click on install now. So as soon as we click on that install now, it will ask for the permission, so we should have admin access in order to perform this task. Here you could see that the setup was successful, so we have got the response. And just close this. So as of now, our second job or task is done. So we have installed the Python in the Windows 10 platform. So let's verify whether the installation is successful or not, or whether we are having our Python in our machine now. So go to command prompt, just type cmd in Windows, and open command prompt and just type Python. Cool. So this is the way to verify whether we have Python in our machine or not. So we have got a response as Python 3.8.2, which is nothing but the downloadable version of ours. So in this way we can verify whether Python is installed successfully or not. So here we are ending our session for the day. So we will continue our Python tutorials in the upcoming videos. So please subscribe and keep an eye on our channel. Thank you.